Hey guys, this is Kevin from JazTime.com, and today we'll be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 36, reference number 116200. We'll be going over the price, the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. Okay, so as of April 2018, you can get this watch from an authorized Rolex retailer for $6,700 plus tax, or you can come check our website out at JazTime.com for the most up-to-date pricings. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to the dial now. So this dial is a special dial for the Rolex, for the Datejust 36. It's called the Silver Diagonal Motif dial. As you can see, it's a nice diagonal etched pattern at the center of the dial and on the outer portion of the dial as well, while having a nice sort of high polish of that steel for lining, making a nice lined circle for the Arabic Roman numerals in blue. The Roman numerals are fashioned in 18 karat white gold to prevent any tarnishing. Okay. The hands, we have the standard index hands that are also fashioned in 18 karat white gold, but the tips of the hands are luminous filled, so meaning that the hands will glow in the dark for up to 8 hours using a highly legible chroma light display. So there's great visibility during the daytime, and also great viewability at the nighttime as well. But if you're not too crazy about this specific dial, the Datejust, as always, will have different dial styles that you can purchase in. Specifically for the Arabic numerals, as I have here, you can get it in a silver, as I have here, but also in the black. For index and Roman numeral, index hour markers are Roman numerals. You can get that in a white, pink, black, blue, or silver dial colors. Okay. Besides that, the Datejust 36 follows just similar Datejust architecture, which is just the hour markers, the Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock position, and the date one at the 3 o'clock position with a Cyclops lens on top of that sapphire crystal for magnification and easier viewing of that date. As we move on to the bezel now, the bezel is just very simple. It's just a domed bezel. As you can see, very beautiful high polish, and brings a nice contrasting high polish shine to the face of the watch to make it a little more eye-catching. Also patterns very nicely with the lugs of the case as well. As you can see, the lugs are nicely high polished as well to give a nice beautiful overall viewing of that front facing portion of the watch. For like the name states, the Datejust 36 is a 36mm watch. So from an index finger to my thumb here, that's 36mm in diameter. The side of the case, nice high polish as well. Profile of the watch is not very large profile. Will fit under suit cuffs, dress cuffs very nicely, very easily. The other side of the case has nice high polish patterning with the sides of the bracelet. We have the Rolex crown logo on the crown itself. As we move on to the crown now, the crown is just a simple screw down twin lock double waterproofness system that can be unwound counterclockwise as shown. In the standard position is where you can actually wind the watch. About 15 to 20 winds is all you need to get it going from a dead stop as shown. Simple tucking of the crown will put you in the next position, which will allow you to adjust the date instantaneously as shown. As you can see, very easy to use, just going clockwise. And of course, the final position of the watch will stop the seconds hand or the hack movement, as you'll be able to see here when I pull it out to the final position. There we are. Seconds hand stops, and this is a position where you can set the hands, set the time, and of course for precise time setting, that's why the seconds hand has stopped, so you can set the time down to exact seconds, such as to an atomic clock online. For precise time setting. Pressing the crown back in starts that seconds hand once more, and always make sure screw the crown nice and tight in against the case, as you want to keep this watch water resistance for its 100 meters or 330 feet. Alright, let's go ahead and move on to the bracelet. Bracelet is an oyster style bracelet. As the Datejust is more of a dress watch, we have, instead of a satin finish throughout the whole bracelet of the three-piece links, we have a nice contrasting of the high polish down the center of the three-piece links, with a satin finish on the outer edges of the three-piece links. The band material and the case materials and the bezel as well are all made out of the same steel that's in-house made by Rolex. It's a 904 steel that has additional corrosion resistance and a nicer shine to it than the industry standard 316L steel, I believe. Okay, show you the bracelet throughout now. So there's the clasp on the other side of the bracelet. And from the clasp, very simple clasp is just a folding oyster clasp as shown. Just open up as so to reveal these nicely high polished clasp blades with a Rolex name embossed onto one of the clasp blades there. So once again, I'll show you that closed up. That's how the clasp looks behind the bracelet. And once again, closed up and opened once more. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on to the movement now. The movement is housed in this simple oyster case backing with a nice high polish along the back of it, with the outermost part of it being nice satin finished. The movement is a 3135 movement, which is a true and tried tested movement by Rolex. It's used in their other pieces, such as sports pieces like the Rolex Submariner or the Deep Sea or Sea Dweller. This is a movement that's been used for over 10 years. It still has its precision of -2 + 2 seconds a day, which is within Swiss specs or Swiss certification. Sorry. It's a perpetual mechanical self-winding movement. The oscillator is a paramagnetic blue parachrome hairspring, which gives the watch additional resistance against magnetism, and a power reserve of this watch is 48 hours. Meaning you could put this watch down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Sunday afternoon, and it'll be keeping time just fine. Now let me go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist now. Okay. Just want to let you guys know I do have an average man size wrist, which is a 7-inch wrist. As you can see, fits nicely on my wrist there. Still a little bit of room, so this is probably a 7.5-inch bracelet standard. And there's a watch on my wrist. As you can see, profile not too high. Sits very nicely. The high polish working very nicely for the front of the watch. All around the band as well, we have the high polish. So if you're interested in this model or any other model for the lowest possible price, check out our website at JazTime.com. We have the lowest prices guaranteed. We offer a 1-year warranty. And if you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.